Hello students, let us start to discuss our next time saving result, or you can say our shortcut trick, which is applicable or helpful to solve objective questions based on different competitive and entrance examinations. Okay, let us start that. Students, please see carefully. Okay, the result is written as 0 to pi by 2 log of mod of sec x dx is equal to, this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of mod of cosec of x dx, and these two integrals are equal to pi by 2 into log of 2 plus c. Okay, let us prove these two results. Okay, first of all, we will prove these two integrals are equal with each other. After that, we will prove these two have same result pi by 4 log of 2. Okay, let us start to prove, taking left hand side. Let I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of mod of sec of x dx. Okay, using the property of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, applying that, we get 0 to pi by 2 log of mod of sec of pi by 2 minus x, that is cosec x, right? Mod of cosec of x dx, and this one is I. Adding these two integrals, we get 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of, and we know that log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n. So we get log of m. M is sec of x, which is 1 upon cos x, into n. N means cosec x, which is 1 upon sin x dx. And this is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of mod of 1 into 1, and we know that 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin of 2x. For that, we have to adjust 2, means multiplying by 2 in numerator and dividing by 2 in denominator. We get 2 upon 2 sin x cos x, that is sin of 2x dx. And we know that log of m by n, log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log of n, and our result is 0 to pi by 2 log of m means log of 2 minus log of n. N means sin of 2x dx. Okay, and this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 integral of first means 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 dx minus integral of second 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of 2x dx. Okay, students, any problem? And this is equal to log of 2 is a constant taking outside of the integral, and integration of 1 is x, log of 2 into x from 0 to pi by 2 using definite integral, minus sin of 2x. Let sin 2x, 1 minute, assume this is I1. Taking I, assume I1 is the integral from 0 to pi by 2 of log of mod of sin of 2x. Okay, so I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin of 2x dx. Okay, taking 2x is equal to t, then dx is equal to half of dt, and changing the range limit when x tending towards 0, then t is also 0, and when x tending towards pi by 2, then since t is equal to 2x, then t is equal to 2 into pi by 2, which is pi. Okay, so when x tending towards 0, then t is also tending towards 0, but when x tending towards pi by 2, then put the value of x pi by 2, we get 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. So our result I1 is equal to 0 to pi right log of mod of sine of t, and dx is 1 by 2 dt. Okay, students, it is very easy. Okay, and I1 I am solving here. So I1 is equal to 1 by 2, this one is equal to 0 to, and we know that the graph of sine x is like this. Okay, and range is 0, pi by 2 and pi. Thus the graph of sine is symmetric about pi by 2, means 0 to pi is twice of 0 to pi is twice of 0 to pi by 2, is symmetric about pi by 2. So 0 to pi is equal to twice of 0 to pi by 2. So we can write it as twice of 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and using property of definite integral, parameter t can be changes in x. Okay, so we can write log of sine of x dx. Sine tb substituted by t is replaced by x by property of definite integral, and 1 by 2 twice of integral from 0 to pi by 2, symmetry divided by pi by 2, sin t dt. And to get this one is I is assumed as log of 1 by 0 to pi by 2 log of this is not sine, 1 minute, sine t. Okay, and 1 minute please. This one is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and log of sin x can be written as 1 upon cosec x. Okay, and cosec x this written as cosec of x to the power minus 1 dx. 1 upon cosec means cosec x to the power minus 1. Sin x means 1 upon cosec, and 1 upon cosec means cosec of x to the power minus 1, and log of m to the power n into log of m. We can write it as n means minus 1 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec of x dx. Now this one is I. This one is I. Okay, and the left hand side is 2I, and this is I, so I is equal to, you can assume that this one is I. So I1 is equal to I. Left hand side 2I, and this one is minus I. Okay, so this becomes plus. I1 is equal to I1 is equal to minus I. I1 is equal to minus I, and minus is present before, minus into minus plus, here 2I. Okay, so 2I minus I is equal to I. So I is equal to pi by 2. I is equal to pi by 2 here, this term. Pi by 2 into log of 2. Okay students, so this one is our result. Please make a note. Okay, please copy And if you have any doubt, this is very easy. Okay, please make a note. Okay.